Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. And I also love to blog, so make sure to follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. Also follow me on social medias, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. So today I am very excited. I teamed up with Brilliance New York, BNY, and they sent out to me 2 of their popular hot tools for me to try out and do a review and tutorial. And I am so excited because I got 2 things that I always use. I got a flat iron and then I also got a curling wand. So there's days that I really like to just wear my hair flat and then just straight. And there's other days that I just want to have, you know, fun waves. So I did get 2 of them and I did do 2 tutorials. But before we get started, I did want to show you guys the product and the packaging. So I'm going to start off first with the flat iron. And first of all, let me show you guys the packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful the box is. I think packaging is so important in, you know, showcasing the product, but this packaging is definitely so pretty. It does have this like peacock pattern in the back. This one is called the Diamond Infused 1.25 Flat Iron. It does have a limited lifetime warranty on all of their products. And let me show you guys. Look how beautiful this flat iron is. It has the same peacock print throughout the whole flat iron. It is so pretty, you guys. And the quality on this is amazing. So some of the features on this flat iron is that it comes with pure ceramic and diamond ultra smooth plates. And it also has a diamond technology for even heat distribution. It does heat up to a maximum temperature of 450 degrees. And to be honest with you guys, I loved using this. My hair looked amazing. You guys are gonna see in the tutorial. So the next product that I also want to show you guys is a curling wand, and I love this one here. So this one is a 1-inch curling wand. Again, look at the packaging. So pretty, you guys. And the inside looks like this. So you do get your 1-inch curling wand. You also get a glove to protect your hand and instructions with styling tips and warranty information. This one also has a limited lifetime warranty, and some of the features is that it's excellent for longer lasting curls and waves. It's great for giving your hair more body, more volume, and it also has pure ceramic and diamond ultra smooth barrels, diamond technology for even heat distribution, and it heats up to 450 degrees. So it is absolutely amazing. I loved this curling wand because it gave me like these like very nice loose natural waves, which is exactly what I like in a curling wand. I don't like my curls to be like just super tight. So they also sent out this awesome serum. It's this one right here. It's the Brilliance New York Diamond Drops. So this serum has a unique formula. It says that it combines 2 of the rarest ingredients that nature has ever created, diamonds and argan oil, and you only need a small amount. I applied this to my hair after I finished using the flat iron, and I only used like a couple drops and just kind of like worked it in my hands and then just, you know, distributed especially to the ends of the hair, and it made my hair so soft, very shiny, and it also got rid of any frizz. So I love this product. I would highly recommend it. It's called the Diamond Drops from Brilliance New York. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the hair tutorial. Also, by the way, I am going to leave you guys the exact names on these 2 products down in the description bar below, as well as in my blog and my Instagram, so make sure you check it out. So let's go ahead and get started with the hair tutorial. So for this first tutorial, I'm going to straighten my hair,
And I'm going to part my hair in half, and then I'm going to take very small sections, working one section at a time. And I believe that is key to getting the perfect straight hair, is working with very, very small sections. Especially if you have like a lot of hair like I do, smaller sections is always best. So once I finish the bottom half, I'm just going to slowly move upwards all the way till we reach to the top part. And as you can see, my hair is really, really straight. It looks very shiny, and it got rid of like all the frizziness. So to also help with the frizziness, I'm taking this Diamond Drop hair serum, and I'm just going to work it all the way down to the bottom of my hair. It made my hair look super soft and really, really shiny. So for this next tutorial, I'm going to be creating some awesome waves. And here I am also doing the same thing, parting my hair in half and then just working very small sections at a time. So if you want to create very loose, natural waves, you can always choose a little bit thicker sections, which is what I did. And if you want more tight curls, then you definitely want to work with thinner sections. So I'm just going to move all the way up to the top of my hair, but as you can see here, this wand is fabulous. It really created like very nice natural waves, which is exactly what I love. So once you reach all the way to the top, you want to make sure that you are putting your hair away from your face. So when you roll it into the wand, it should always be away from your face as you get closer to the top. So this was the finished result. As you can see, it created some really beautiful natural waves. I hope you guys enjoyed both of these tutorials. Let me know in the comments down there below which one was your favorite, and I will see you guys next time.